Mr. Narendra Modi's endearing meeting with the family of the US Vice President J.D. Vance on Monday took place alongside some of the hard business talks. Also in the short, the bilateral meeting between the two leaders, the mood was accommodating rather than confrontational, also which mirrors the pattern of the United States and India trade negotiations. India has been actively engaged in the bilateral trade talks with the United States, for which the virtual discussion have been followed up with the physical deliberation. According to the top sources, the mood in the bilateral meeting between the Modi and the Vance was keeping in mind that the goals of the increasing trade between India and the United States, that is to $500 billion by 2030. The main area of negotiation is the farm sector. Also, while India has agreed to buy more oil and natural gas from the United States, it has also cut reciprocal tariff on some agricultural products like the pistachio and almonds. But also the United States wants more, the country wants more of its agricultural products to be exported to India. The three main crops which is also want and the greater access to the Indian markets are corn, that is maize, cotton and soya bean. Also there is where a bit of dilemma comes in for India, because the primary of the agricultural economy is what is in India. Also the contentious farm laws that has rolled back. Also politically the central government cannot afford to alienate its farmer. Hence the focus on the trade talk was also on the agricultural exports. India is expected to sign another free trade agreement with the United States on some farm products, but it is also want to increase exports to the United States on some products like rice, fishery and spices. At the moment, the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman happens to be in the United States, and also while she is speaking with the World Bank and International Monetary Fund on the sidelines, improved trade ties between the two countries is also much on the platter. Also, Millennium delivers breaking news, top headlines and live updates, so stay in touch.